It's the end of the year again, and it's the best time to revisit, reevaluate, and create your marketing plan for the coming year. In the next few minutes, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a marketing plan and provide you with a few resources that you can use to plan your initiatives. Let's jump straight to it. Step 1: set goals. Before you start exploring the latest marketing trends that you can apply in your business, it's crucial to revisit your business goals. Many businesses make the mistake of diving into tactics without having a clear goal or strategy. Take a moment to list down your business objectives for the coming year. Are you aiming for a sales boost, expanding your team, or perhaps entering international markets? Your marketing goals should always be aligned with your business goals, as this will provide a solid foundation for your marketing efforts. For instance, if you're looking to expand brand awareness, set a specific target like reaching 100,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of the year. Avoid setting broad goals like increase in revenue, increase in brand awareness, or increase in profits. The key is to include a target number, a completion date, and then your plan. Using SMART goals is one way to make sure your goals are easier to digest. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Here's an example: increase brand awareness by growing social media followers and engagement by Q4 of this year. Once your goals are in place, identify the key performance indicators or KPIs that will help you track your progress. Whether it's increasing social media following, improving e commerce conversion rates, or reducing customer acquisition costs, establishing measurable targets ensures you stay on the right track. Step 2: do your research. After you've written down your goals, it's crucial to understand what your competitors are doing to gain a competitive edge. Study their website, their social media channels, analyze their advertisements, and look at their pricing strategies. This research will provide you with invaluable insights into how they're positioning themselves in the market. By understanding their tactics, you can not only identify what works, but also uncover areas where they may be falling short, paving the way for strategic advantages. Here are a few resources that you can use to check on your competitors' digital platforms. Meta Ad Library, or formerly known as Facebook Ad Library, is a free tool to check on any existing ads that are running. You can use this tool to check on your competitors' ads on Meta, where these ads are showing, captions, and when they were posted. Google Trends serves as a valuable digital marketing tool offering insights into the search interest surrounding specific topics, locations, or time periods. A useful tip is to input your brand name along with those of your competitors to analyze and compare their respective interests over time. You can trace the impact of your marketing initiatives by identifying peaks on specific dates. Consider whether these spikes coincide with the release of an ad, the execution of a campaign, or the announcement of a new product. The final step in your research involves auditing your previous marketing initiatives. Take a closer look at events, partnerships, and campaigns to determine which ones contributed to your goals and which one fell short. By completing this step, you can pinpoint areas that need more attention and decide which initiative should be continued. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of these factors early in the game, formulating effective marketing initiatives becomes more manageable. With this knowledge, your marketing efforts can not only be more intentional, but also finely tuned to navigate the ever evolving landscape of your industry. Step 3: check in with your customers. Regularly reassess your target market's interests through surveys or focus groups. Understand their perceptions of your products, services, and pricing to fine tune your marketing initiatives. Remember, if there's a big shift in the market, your customers would likely follow it, especially if it affects their decision making when it comes to buying things. A free online survey tool that you can use is SurveyMonkey. Choose from a wide range of design templates that fit your brand and list down questions that you want your existing customers to answer. You can also give your respondents a small gift or a token by doing this for you. The goal is to get a good grip of what your customers are thinking and see how you can adjust your initiatives over time. This, however, doesn't mean that you're going to follow everything that you've learned from the survey. Choose only those that are more relevant to your business. Step 4: plan and execute. Now, let's explore the heart of your marketing plan. Your initiative should be based on the data gathered from your research, and each initiative should address the goals you've written down. Social media platforms are undoubtedly one of the things that you should focus on and properly identify which channel is aligned with your business type. For B2B companies, LinkedIn is your go to platform, while B2C companies can leverage Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Remember, each platform requires a unique approach to content production. Create a unified marketing calendar, but tailor your content to suit the professional tone of LinkedIn or the more entertaining style of TikTok. It's crucial to maintain brand consistency even when following social media trends. Resist the temptation to go off brand simply to follow the latest happening. Instead, brainstorm creative approaches to content creation that align with each platform's unique features while staying true to your brand image. It's not about conforming to trends, but finding innovative ways to showcase your brand within the social media landscape. Here are a few resources that you can use. AnswerThePublic.com is a free listening tool to see what phrases and questions people are searching for online. The platform will show you questions, prepositions, and comparisons to give you an idea on what content to produce. If, for example, my base topic is brand strategy, the website will show me different questions that people are asking online. You can then generate different content topics based on the search results. ManyChat, like other chatbots, is a conversational AI platform that you can integrate on Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and other communication platforms. This is helpful for small to medium companies who only have a few staff members. ManyChat can help direct your social media visitors to the right pages while you operate your business. Step 5, explore partnerships. Another marketing strategy that you can explore is brand partnerships. Collaborating with other individuals or brands can significantly expand your customer base. This strategic move allows you to tap into your partner's existing customer network, creating a mutually beneficial exchange. Explore collaborative events or exclusive product launches that resonate with both your brand and your partner's identity. By pooling resources and expertise, you not only enhance your reach, but also create unique, compelling experiences for your shared audience. This collaborative approach is a powerful way to foster meaningful connections and unlock fresh avenues for growth in your market. Step 6, define marketing budget. We wouldn't want to forget the fuel that will make all of this happen. Your marketing budget should contain ad expenses, budget for building platforms, hiring agencies, and producing other marketing materials. As a general practice, a startup can allot 10 to 12% of its annual revenue for marketing budget, while established companies can go down between 5 to 7% because it is assumed that they already have a fair share of the market. Properly distribute your marketing budget across different initiatives and be sure not to put all your eggs in one basket. Feel free to reallocate as needed. Now, these are just a few from the many things that you can do to market your brand. By aligning your goals, tracking your progress, and adopting to effective strategies, you're bound to make lasting impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Cheers!